as total 1.8 lakh families, the 1,80,000 means 1.8 lakh families have been covered. That takes a count of total 7.2 lakh citizens of Goa who are covered under Deen Dayal Health Insurance Scheme. Total forms received are 1,80,322. GL has done a data entry of 1,60,596. And the forms as per scheme after verification is 1,43,361. There are 5,232 incomplete applications. जे कितें डॉक्युमेंट्स जाय ते थोड्यांनी सारखे लावना तांकां SMS गेले आमची सो तांचे कडेन मागता की जे कितें आमी डॉक्युमेंट मागला ते आमच्या सेंटराचेर हाडून दिवचे इमिजिएटली तांचो तो प्रोसेस जातलो. देर आर 3,551 केसीस which are ineligible. 3,551 cases. Probably they don't have an Aadhaar card and they have applied, or they don't have a residence proof of 5 years in Goa and they have applied.
Deen Dayal Swasthya Seva Yojana was launched with the aim by the BJP government in Goa with the aim to provide health insurance to Goans, Goa Electronic Limited chairperson Datta Prasad Naik said. Naik further stated the mobile Aadhaar unit which has been set up for bedridden patients is a success in Talegaon and Santa Cruz constituency. He further said on Monday the unit has been set in Kortani constituency followed by Fatorda and urged MLAs to approach Goa Electronic Limited if there were similar cases in their constituencies.
Maximum cases are in GMC, 35 cases are in GMC. दुसरें आनी एक तुमकां सांगपाक सोदता पूण अशी कितें एमर्जन्सी आसा जाल्यार आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट जावचे इमिजिएटली आमची 1-2 वरां भितर तुमकां कार्ड इश्यू करपाची आमची सिस्टम लायिल्ली आसा.
Bureau Report, HCN.